Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn the Aircraft Construction course. I am Loi Chao. The task of this class is to prevent ice and rain. The Anhui Guangde June 3rd air accident underscores the vital role of aircraft anti-icing and rain removal systems. The cost of aircraft ice formation. The aircraft flies in the cloud for a long time. After the supercooled water droplets in the cloud or the supercooled rain in the precipitation hits the aircraft body, the water vapor directly coalesces into ice on the surface of the body. The harm of ice formation to aircraft. Explain the impact on the aircraft from the aspects of wing icing, engine icing, propeller icing, atmospheric data probe icing, windshield icing, or rainwater accumulation and water system icing. Explain how to detect aircraft icing. Explain the commonly used methods of detecting aircraft icing, visual icing detectors, electronic icing detectors, and radioactive isotope icing detectors. Classification of aircraft icing systems. Hot bleed air de-icing, electric heating anti-icing, mechanical energy de-icing, liquid anti-icing, electric pulse de-icing. Introduction to aircraft icing system, wing leading edge de-icing. Typical aircraft wing anti-icing system components, wing anti-icing control switch, no auto bits with auto bit. Introduction to aircraft anti-icing system, Miles engine inlet de-icing, engine inlet anti-icing system, engine inlet dual anti-icing valve configuration. Introduction to aircraft anti-icing system, propeller anti-icing. Most propellers adopt an electrothermal de-icing system. The electrothermal de-icing system mainly consists of three parts: cockpit control and indication, timing control components, and heating resistance wires and lines. Introduction to aircraft anti-icing system, air data probe anti-icing. Explain the automatic control circuit of aircraft probe heating. The probe heating system uses electric heating to anti-icing the pitot tube, static pressure port, full temperature probe, and angle of attack sensor to avoid possible errors caused by crew misoperation after receiving wrong air data due to probe freezing and clogging. Introduction to aircraft anti-icing system, windshield heating anti-icing. The windshield heating system of modern civil aviation airliners adopts the method of electric heating. Explain the windshield heating circuit. Windshield heating can not only prevent the outer surface of the windshield from freezing, but also prevent water mist from appearing on its inner surface, effectively preventing the line of sight of the crew from being affected. Aircraft ice protection system maintenance precautions. Relevant safety regulations of the manual during the maintenance test of the heating system prevent unnecessary heating from causing damage to the system components according to the pull-out switch of the work car. Prevent burns when approaching components such as pitot tubes, bleed tubes, leading edge slat anti-icing tubes, and engine inlet anti-icing tubes. Remove the tube sleeves of pitot tubes, AOA detectors, and other components before takeoff. The system explanation of the aircraft rain discharge system. The composition of the windshield wiper system. There are wipers in the windshield directly in front of the left and right units, and each wiper is driven by a separate electric motor. The converter converts the high-speed low torque of the electric motor into a low-speed high torque to drive the wipers, and at the same time, it can realize the control of the synchronization of the left and right wipers and the stop position. Aircraft wiper switches generally have three positions: stop, high speed, and low speed. System explanation of aircraft rain discharge system. Introduction of rain discharge agent. Drainage agents are used in heavy rain environments. Its function is to obtain a high contact angle of more than 80 degrees between the rainwater and the glass, and it will be difficult for the water droplets to stay on the windshield, but will be blown away by the airflow or wiped away by the windshield wipers. Its advantage is that the rain discharge effect is good, and the disadvantage is that the rain discharge agent has a great impact on environmental pollution. A systematic explanation of the aircraft rain discharge system. An introduction to the water-resistant coating rain discharge agent. The function of the water-resistant coating is the windshield glass is covered with a waterproof coating which can increase the contact angle between the water and the glass to about 100 degrees. Its advantages are it only needs to be cleaned according to the requirements of the manual without additional maintenance work, also known as permanent waterproof coating. Thank you for watching. Now comes the exercise session. Students can press the pause button to think and answer. Let's start now. Have all the students answered correctly?